What is a garage door monitor? It's a simple device consisting of a transmitter and a receiver. You put this on your garage door, and when the garage door position moves, it will open and send a signal into the house indicating that the door is open. Here at Garage Door Minder, we've invented one that consists of Bluetooth. It has no wires, no Wi-Fi, and no passwords. It's literally plug and play right out of the box. Why do you need a garage door monitor? For security, peace of mind. No one wants to go to bed at night knowing that the largest door to their house is open.